So in this video we're going to show you how to use the Yoast SEO plugin, which is probably the best SEO plugin for WordPress. So once we've installed that by going to plugins, add new, and then searching for Yoast SEO and installing it. Once it's activated, you'll see this link on the side, and we want to come across to pages and start making some changes. So we can see a list of all our pages, and we've also got these extra columns in the top. If they don't appear, you simply click on Screen Options and tick the boxes you want, and that will make them visible. First page we're going to do is demo page 2, and we want to make the content on this page about the word Apple. So if we come down here and we can see our Yoast SEO box and type in the word Apple, we will see that there are a whole lot of red dots and orange dots because there's no word Apple throughout the whole page. So let's come across to Wikipedia, copy some information, go back to our page and paste it in. And then we want to change the title and also change the permalink. Click OK. Now if we come down, we can see that there's only 2 red dots. So let's go ahead and change the meta description and just put the first paragraph in. So we'll click on the box, come down to meta description and paste it in. Then we'll click close snippet, and that red dot has now been removed. So for the example that we've actually copied in, we probably aren't going to get that many clicks because it's not that engaging or exciting. But for this example, we'll just leave it as it has the focus word. So let's go down and try and fix some of the other issues. It says the SEO title contains the focus keyword, but it does not appear at the beginning. Try and move it to the beginning. So they're suggesting we have Apple as the first word. And this isn't always possible, but for this example, let's just go ahead and do it. Now it's saying the page title is too short. Use the space to add keyword variations. So we fixed that up. So it's saying the focus keyword does not appear in the URL for this page. So let's change that to Apple Health. Click OK. That has now fixed that issue. The text contains only 269 words. They're saying that we should have 300 words, so let's add a bit more copy. So let's go back to Wikipedia, copy another paragraph, paste it in, and remove bold. Come down and you can see now that we've got all green dots, and the only thing we're missing is an image. So they're suggesting we should have an image, so let's do that. Let's go back to Wikipedia, click on an image of an apple, drag it across to our desktop, then we're going to drag the apple back in, and give it a title and caption, and click insert into page. And if we scroll down, we can see that it's saying the image does not have an alt attribute containing the focus keyword. So we'll come across the image and then click on edit. We're going to change the caption to, and the alternative text the same. Click on update, scroll down, and as you can see, we now have all green dots for our page. So if we click update, go back to all pages, we can see that the SEO is good, but the readability is bad. So we're going to go back to edit, come down, and then click on the readability tab and see why the readability is poor. So the first thing it's saying is the text does not contain any subheadings. Add at least one subheading. So let's do that. Give it a heading, page 2, and then we're going to come down to this section and add in a subheading. make it a H3. Now if we come down to readability, we can see that that's no longer an issue, but it's saying one of the subheadings is followed by more than a recommended maximum of 300 words. Try to insert another subheading. So what we want to do then is add another subheading after this paragraph, and we can make it ancestors. So we will copy and paste, remove the link, make it a H3, call it ancestor. So now we've put another subheading in. If we come down, we can see that we now have 3 green dots. Readability is decent, but they're saying that there are too many words in each sentence. So it recommends that we try and shorten the sentences. So let's update that again. And then we go back to all pages. And we can see that our SEO is now good and our readability is okay. So that's how you use Yoast to improve your readability and your SEO on your pages.